Okay, y'all, here's the tractors. There's more down there at the bottom. I'll have to do a two-parter on it, but I'm not too sure about the year models of these tractors, but I do know he's selling them. I don't know what half of them are because, you know, I was born in the 80s, and these look like they're probably way before my time. Probably World War II and World War I and maybe Civil War era. This is a neat machine here. I mean, I would take that off, but it's a pain in the butt to get it back on. But it's a little small road grader, and he said it did run when he parked it. You know, all the controls are there and all that. You know, those tires might air up if you put air in it, but that's, I'll let y'all be the judge of that. Here's this one. This one's pretty neat. We found this one out in the pasture. This one's really neat looking. It's semi-complete. Look at all those valves. There's the old maintainer. That's neat looking. There's the attachments. Those are neat looking, those attachments. You know, and I'll go down the line on all those attachments. Huh, there's a deer way down there. Here's some more tractors. He's got a bunch of these old brush guards. See, man, I heard these brush guards, man, they make pretty good yard art. You know, I don't know if these tractors can be restored or what. No, that one's still got a little fluid in it. This one's got actually decent tires on it compared to this one over here. And there's another one right there. That one's pretty neat looking. Really neat. Really neat. Like I said, I don't know what kind of tractors these are. If y'all know what they are, please comment at the bottom. I mean, I wouldn't mind knowing what they are so I can get to know the history on them. Look at that. That one's still got the gear ratio on it. Small ass generator on there. You know, there's all those attachments. We'll go over there and look at those here in a minute. Gotta watch my step. Just because of rattlesnakes out here. Look at that little light right there. Yeah, all those years it made it. There's the one right beside it. Here's the one on the end. The one on the end is pretty neat looking. Man, that'll be a hell of an artwork right there. Air tank attachments. There's a plow attachment. That one's pretty neat. All these old attachments are here for sale too. You just tell me what you want and I'll relay the message. Since we're over here talking about tractors, I figured I'll show y'all this case. This case actually runs and operates. It's a pretty neat looking case. See? He said he ain't ready to sell it yet. He's not ready to sell this one yet. That one he said he'll probably sell. Now, I don't know if that one runs. Man, y'all, look how dry it is over here. Walking on this right here, all you hear is crunching. Need some rain over here. There's another little case. Front end loader. Bunch of rims. Y'all hear a gunshot. It's probably because I found something that didn't agree with me. Another Caterpillar D55. He's got it pretty well covered up. Ain't much left of that. I don't even know if this thing's even restorable. He's got a bigger one than that down there at the bottom. And I think the only thing holding it up is the damn tree. And that's, you know what? I think the dozer's holding the tree up. That's what it is. Old Cadillac. It's old Army trash compactor. And you got a bunch of deer down there. Here's some attachments and some fence. There's a little small box blade. A little rake, a little plow. A little box blade with a 4x4 hub on it. These right here make good yard art. That's pretty neat right there. I like looking at old stuff that just lasted over the years. There's the deer walking. There's a baby fawn right there getting ready to run across the pasture. Can't wait until he's a buck. There's another mama. A bunch of them laying over there in the trees. Like I said, I've known this guy since I was a kid. I mean, I'm 39 years old. I still feel like a kid still. Ooh, look how big that chain is. Brush hogs. There's some more over here. I think he said he'll sell some of these brush hogs. Old golf cart. There's a couple of 8 ends and 9 ends. There's a big old loader over there. A bunch of old Fords. You got this tractor. This one's pretty nice. There's an 8 end. That one still runs and drives. That one's 4-wheel drive, but that one ain't old. There's a Farmall. There's some hoods. There's my truck. There's a motor out of one. Some 8 ends, 9 ends. I just said all these are for sale. They're a nice looking hood. There's a parts 8 end on the ground. Ain't bad looking. That one ain't too bad. Don't know what that thing is. There's another one with a loader. Here's a loader. That might be a neat little toy for somebody. You get it working. Definitely gonna need new tires and seat and probably some wiring. It's a Barry. All right. I'm gonna do a tractor part 2 down there at the bottom, so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see more. There goes another deer. See here, yep. See, she's running across that pasture right there. Thanks for watching.